Hi guys, Bobby D here. Welcome to my video where I'm going to show you the easiest way to make money online ever. And I mean, this is absolutely unbelievable way to make as much money as you want. Now, what I'm going to show you in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do, how you're going to sign up, how it works, how you can do this over and over again, and how you can make literally unlimited money using this method. Now watch this to the end. I'm going to show you exactly what to do. I'm going to show you the software that I use that can double, triple, quadruple the way you do this and how much money you can earn. Honestly, it's just unbelievably brilliant. I love it. And this will work for everyone, okay? It's such an easy method. You can make as much money as you want, and it works anywhere in the world. It works worldwide. Now, a couple of things I need from you guys. Please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell. Why? If you do that for me, you get to see my money-making videos and affiliate reviews first. And that means you get to try them first and you get to make money first. I try to upload a video every single day, and every day I search the internet, I research everything I do, and I make sure that I bring you the best ways to make money. Now, the method I'm going to show you today is definitely up there in my top 3 or 4 methods, all right? It is one of the best methods I have seen. So hit the subscribe, guys, hit the bell for me, make sure you don't miss out. Now, the other thing I'm doing for you guys is I'm going to give you some free training today. So below this video, you'll see the comment section where it says here, get my free training. If you click that link, it will take you to 7 videos that I've put together all about how I got started in affiliate marketing and how you can get started and how you can start earning those $100 days, which is what everyone wants. Now, I like to earn $100 a day. I earn a lot more than $100 a day now, and I do this part-time, okay? If you take action, you get action, guys. So listen to what I'm telling you. Take action with the videos, take action with the software, and you can start making money online. So let me jump into your training. Just hit the subscribe and hit the bell. I'd really appreciate it. And let me show you what you can do. Okay, guys, so there are a ton of different ways to make money online. We know that. For those of you that know me, I'm a product creator and I bring out products to help you guys make money online. You know, I've got products out on Fiverr. I've got programs out on flipping domains. I've got programs out on Instagram. I've got programs out on funnels, and all these ways make money online. But they are single ways to make money online, i.e. it's Instagram only, it's Facebook only, it's funnels only, it's domain flipping, it's Fiverr. All those are single ways to make money. Now, they all work, and they work to this day. But what I've come across today, I've never seen in my life, ever. This, I can almost guarantee, will make you money. All right, I've never seen anything like it. And I really want you to watch this video carefully and listen to what I'm saying and showing you, because if you are serious about making money online, this probably is the best program so far this year that's going to make you money online. Okay. Now, like I said, there's loads of different ways of doing it, and how you do it is up to you. But for me, if you're a newbie, this is the one, guys, that you need to be looking at. So the program is called Atomic DFY, which is done for you. And this is the headline. It says, go Atomic, get free traffic, digital assets, and monetization 100% done for you. Okay. It's true. So the program is by a guy called Brendan Mace and John O. Armstrong. They're the biggest affiliates in the world. And they bring out products to help you guys make money. And me, I use their products as well. Now, what's different about this and what I love about it is this is an all-in-one tool to make money. And I'm going to show you the members area in a minute. And it's phenomenal, okay? There's 4 easy steps. Done for you campaigns, one-click monetization, free traffic, and you're going to make some profit, okay? There's no funnels in this, no bots. You don't have to make any videos, no Facebook ads, no chatbots, no funnels, no Google AdWords. You don't have to outsource it. It's not Fiverr. You don't need a website. You don't need an autoresponder. There's no copywriting. You don't have to design anything. No YouTube, no webinars, no phone calls. You need nothing, right? I've never seen a program like this. Everything is contained in this program. I'm sounding excited here because I am quite excited about this. I think it's just brilliant and I wish I thought of it. You don't have to spend any more money on this apart from what you're buying the front end for. It is literally an all-in-one system, okay? An all-in-one system. It says it there. Atomic DFY is a complete system. You get the assets, the free traffic, the monetization needed to grow a full online business, all right? You get 50 done for you atomic assets, they're calling them, with the program. But you can upload whatever you want, and I suggest you upload your own, okay? But you can start with what they've got. You can add monetization with a single click, all right? Super easy. You get 20 done for you at ways of making money. This is what I'm going to come on to in a minute. And you can do it in 5 minutes flat, all right? So if you're somebody who's new, who doesn't know about funnels, who hasn't got lead magnets and autoresponder, you don't need it with this, right? There's a really, really easy way of doing it. Now the sales page goes on and on and on. Have a look. Now what I do like about the sales page, and I'm going to show you something quite interesting here, is at the bottom. They're offering a double money back guarantee. Now I've never seen this before either. So you get your 30-day money back guarantee, okay? Now if you don't make money with it, and you can show to the guys that you haven't, you'll get double your money back. A double money back guarantee I've never seen in my life. That is how good this program is. So that is the sales page. So let's flop over to the members area. So this is the members area that you're going to see for Atomic DFY. You've got Atomic Assets, My Arsenal, Order a Strike, and the Source. And you can import your own. So this is just an example. So they've put some basically free programs, PDFs in here. I don't know, let's just pick one. How to start a fishing charter business. Let's just click it. I don't know what it's about. So there's a PDF here which people are going to be interested in. Okay, how to start a fishing charter business. And it's all about fishing. So if we like this one, you hit the select and it puts it into your saved file there. You go to My Arsenal, which is the next one, and it will be in there somewhere. You can also upload anything you want. So if you've got your own PDFs, you just do import asset and you upload it there. Because obviously some of these might not fit your niche. I mean, I'm in the make money online niche, so I'd have to upload something about making money online. You've got short sales there, that could be something around it. And you literally just upload it. You then go to My Arsenal. So these are the ones that you've uploaded. Again, as an example, computer hard drive. Let's just click that one. You hit the launch button. Now this is where it gets interesting. It says drop your assets to all the major social sites. So you drop which one you want, computer hard drive, and then you click all these, right? So you've got Digit, email, Google, Reddit, Twitter, Facebook, Yahoo, add this. So just sign up for an account in add this, which takes a second, or whatever. You go to buffer.com, sign in with your account, and it will then publish that PDF on that platform. So you can see where this is going. You can publish on all these platforms in 5 minutes flat, okay, and start advertising it. You can start advertising all these products, which are just going to make you money, okay? And you can do it in a second. So it's literally one click and you can download all these to all these various assets. You know, instead of like at the moment, you know, if I do launch a product, I put it on Facebook, I then have to go into Twitter, I then go into Google, I then go into LinkedIn. Here you can do it all really, really quickly in minutes, 5 minutes to get all these on. Can you imagine putting your affiliate offer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 there. 7 is, you know, it's insane. You can just put all these out all the time and make money. You do that for every launch, you're going to be everywhere. Not only is your product going to be everywhere, your backlinks are going to be massive, and you will make sales 100%. I am using this as of today for my launches and for my products and for my everything. I'm going to use it for this review that I'm doing now. I'm going to be putting it out there. So really good, really good site, really good program, Atomic DFI. Now, if you go to my website, bobbydonlinemarketing.com, the link's below. I've done a review on it here. And if you grab it obviously through my link, you're going to get a ton of bonuses as well. I'm giving you P1 profits, how I was able to generate £1,952, Fast Cash 5, Money Monster, 24-hour traffic machine, solo ads, 10k email manifesto bonus, the secret to successful email marketing, that's really good, and how to make 1k a month really quickly. I'll give you those as a bonus. All right. I'm also going to offer some OTOs. If you get OTO 2, which is you get a high ticket item that you can sell. If you buy that OTO, drop me an email to say you bought it, and I will give you a 30-minute Skype call with myself, and we can go over your affiliate marketing. I'll look at your account. I'll give you some advice. I'll tell you what I do. I'll tell you how you can get better at sales, and I'll help you out. You'll have me for 30 minutes on Skype or Zoom, and we can chat about anything. We don't even have to talk about internet marketing, but I'll help you out if you're an internet marketer or a newbie or you're struggling. I'll give you some advice. I'll show you what I do. I'll show you my sites, and I'll help you out as much as I can. So if you get OTO 2 or OTO 3 or OTO 4, you're going to get 30 minutes of my time. All right. So that's it, guys. Highly recommend Atomic DFY. Super easy to make money with it. I'm Bobby D from Bobby D Online Marketing. Thank you for listening, and I'll speak to you soon.